Chef Ted Reeder here, Godfather of the Grill. Welcome to my backyard, Casa Barbecue. And today we're going to be doing a wok stir fry of mussels. It's a hot and fast recipe. Are you coming in to play, or are you just hanging out over there?
I didn't bring any food. Where's my sailor?
Your sailor's right there.
Gotta have the sailor, Jerry, before I get started here.
So this recipe is hot and fast,
Okay.
done in a wok. Well, we're gonna take a little bit of onion, okay? A little red onion. So we're gonna take a little bit of habanero. So you chop these up. So we got our fire going. You can do it on a stove top. You can do it a number of different ways. I'm gonna take this orange and we're gonna pop them in the coals.
Flavors up with the orange.
Get them going. Nestle these into the hot coals, okay? And the skin is gonna heat up the juice, and we're gonna use that hot juice on the mussels. When you get your mussels, they're open when you go to work with them. Squeeze them closed, and if they shut, should still be alive.
Oh.
Okay? This one's, almost dead.
How are you almost dead?
Well, because he's kind of closing, but he's doing it slowly. Then you see this here, this little fluff, okay?
Yeah.
That's called the beard. And you just want to remove that beard because it's no fun to eat. If I find, take a little paper towel, helps you to grip it a little bit better.
Learned from experience.
There's a little bit still attached, so if you pull, you see that there? You take your little claw, grab it, and pull it out. And it's how the mussel attaches itself. So, when they grow them on these posts in the ocean. They attach to that post, and they attach by the beard. Oranges, look at that.
I'm gonna do the juicing, Ted. Fresh squeezed, warm orange juice. Good for your bone structure and vitamin C.
We're turning this cauldron into a wok. And I have my steel wok here. And it fits in just nicely on that bed of coal. It's nice and hot. We got a little oil in there. We're adding in some butter in there. The onions.
And the dice.
The hot peppers. Garlic, however much or as little as you want. Next, the mussels. In they go. They are definitely not the zebra mussel. We're now going to take a little bit of Guinness.
Guinness makes
Always
everything better.
Then always sample. It's cold out today, so we want to keep that heat in, right? Close her up. They're done when they open.
Do you know why they open?
Because they're fucking hot and they go, holy shit, and they open up.
Yeah. How would you not have known that,
If they
Joel?
don't open, they're dead. And you don't eat them. Take a little green onion here. This is parsley, flat leaf parsley. You could use cilantro if you want. Take this butter, look in there. See, they're all starting to open up. We're gonna lay that butter on top and throw in the orange. Still, little jack can. Guinness and jack together are always a nice combination. Butter, we want that butter to melt, so get that down at the bottom. Look at that, whoa. And that butter mixed with the liquid, the Guinness, the whiskey, the orange, hot just like that. Take the sauce, look at that.
Wow.
Wok fried with Guinness and jack. And that's it, it's nice and simple. Take it, open it, pick it out.
Those are damn good.
Mighty fine, eh?
Those are probably the best mussels I've ever had.
I'm Chef Ted Reeder, Godfather of the Grill. Tune in next week for another tasty recipe. Over and out from me and my buddy Chris. Cheers.
I'm eating all these myself, and Ted's not getting any.
Oh, I'm getting some.